Is your Basecamp project looking like a digital junk drawer? Let's fix that with separators. In this video, I'll show you how to use headings, dividers, and other visual cues to transform your Basecamp chaos into a user-friendly workspace. First, open the project you want to tidy up and click the Write a New Text Doc button. Now, this is where the magic happens. Think of headings as the title of a section in your project. Type in your heading, like Project Goals, and highlight the text. Then, click the H1 or Heading 1 button in the formatting toolbar to make it a clear, noticeable heading. Need a visual break between sections? Simply type a line of dashes at least 3 and Basecamp will automatically convert them into a horizontal divider line. You can also use bolding for key points or subheadings within a section. Highlight the text you want to emphasize and click the B or bold button. See how these simple separators instantly make your project look more organized and easier to read. By using headings, dividers, and bolding, you'll make your Basecamp projects a breeze for your team to navigate. That's it for today's Basecamp tip. Happy organizing!